Hey, I decided to do a video on how to put holes in these pots. This is one of the pots that doesn't have a hole in it, and I put blue pieces of tape down there so that I can mark the middle, because the drill bit, it slides a little bit. This is one of the finished pots that I got a hole drilled into it so that it can have some drainage. This is the kind of drill bit I'm using. It's a concrete drill bit, and I'm just taking my time. One of the key things that I'm doing is I'm pouring a little bit of water down inside the pot so that I can make, as I go down through the pot, I can make it so that it's a little bit softer with the water so that the pot doesn't crack. I'm sitting it on this chair so that I can get some leverage when I drill. So I put the pot on the chair. I take some water, pour it in there, just so that I can get just a little bit get the drill down in there, so as I drill down in, the water will make it a little bit softer since this is a ceramic pot. Always use safety glasses just in case something chips up to hit you in your eye. So I start slow, I put it on the piece of tape, and I start slow with the drilling. Again, the tape helps it to not slide until I start getting down into the pot a little bit. So I usually start slow, try to get as close as I can to the middle, and then start drilling. This one's kind of sliding a bit. So I have to put some leverage on the back of it. Now I can feel a few little bits and pieces of the pot flying up and hitting me in the hand. And there you have it. The towel keeps the pot from sliding. That's why I have the towel here. And there you go. Got another hole drilled. And there's my hole. That, like I said, the towel helps it to keep from sliding so that I can hold the pot down. I also know how far I go down, because once I hit the towel, then I know that I'm down and I can stop. I have 3 done. There's one there, and there's one there, and I have 3 more to go. One there, there, and there. And it doesn't take very long. The hardest part is just getting the hole started. Once you get the hole started with the concrete bit, then just take your time and start slowly pushing. But make sure you have that water in there, because as that water goes down into the hole, it seems like it's starting to help the pot, the material of the pot, start to get a little soft, and it goes through pretty easy. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video.